Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's eyeshadow look, and I think I want to go off base this photo that I found on Instagram. So let me go on my saved. I want to do something like this, but with pink and reds. And this is by Alexis MUA. First I'm going to go ahead and apply Fenty Beauty Concealer in shade 185. Just like that. And then my eyes are a little bit pink under because I did a different look yesterday, but I didn't really like it that much. So yeah. And then in the background, as always, I am watching something. I'm watching the movie Four Brothers. I have watched this movie before, but I just don't remember a lot of it. Charles palette, which is that shade right there. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. But I'm sort of just going to put that there so we can just blend it out. You can have like some sort of. I sort of just want it as like a transition shade, but also mainly as like a setting shade.
Hi, big guys, catching up. This is 100% orange juice from Minute Maid.
These too far away from my eye.
This is letting go. Hi, Dad. Hey, buddy. Let's see what my $5 boneless wing combo is really worth. Look at the white meat on this boneless wing. $5.
It by Juvia's Place. I'm going to take this shade right here, which it doesn't have a name, but I'm going to take it anyways. With that same brush. Oh my gosh, come on.
You must be HIV negative to take Truvada for PrEP. So you need to get tested for HIV immediately before and at least every 3 months while taking Truvada. If you think you were exposed to
yeah, I don't know what the commercial is. Wow, this pink is very pigmented. It might not be a straight line. Oh wait, I'm doing a crease. So on a palette, Norvina palette, and I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here, which is Love. And I'm just going to clean the edges with that shade. That's weird.
It costs the exact same as a Reese's. Turns out love's kind of inexpensive. I'm sorry, Reese's. Attention, please. I want to make a toast. And one person.
I think that pink is a little bit darker than. Right back, I will do the creases off camera because it's a little hard for me to do it on camera. I sort of need to fix myself somehow, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I just cut my crease, and then I am going to set it just in like a second because I want to add the shimmer first that goes on the top, which is like, let me show you this shade in the front. Ignore my ugly nails. So I'm going to grab like a nice shimmer shade. Well, actually, I want to set it first with, I don't know. Not sure what it's called. So yeah. Actually, I'm going to set it first because I think it's too hot. So I'm going to set my my concealer first. Not really set it, but make it a little bit more non-sticky, I guess. Like a dreamer, which is this shade right here. It's like a flip. We're gonna do like an ombre, like I'm honestly gonna. No, the shade we used to deepen up our crease. I'm going to pack that on.
Some of you probably knew my mother, and some of you probably know she was shot about a week ago across the street. 62 years old, murdered in cold blood. I'm looking for the witness.
I'm trying to blend it up.
Ball player, big guy. Supposedly never wears a coat. Dog lover, ring any bells? Tell me where I can find the guy, and you can finish the game. Tell me where I can find this guy, and you can finish the game. I appreciate your help very much. You've all been...
So I wasn't really gonna put eyeliner, but then I accidentally, like I was gonna put a thin eyeliner, but then I accidentally messed up. But anyways, I added my Ardell lashes in the style 817, and they're in the black like box, not the plastic container. But yes, I actually really like this look. It looks really nice. So yeah, let's just add our finished touches, which is going to add some inner highlight. Actually, I think I want to clean up a little bit, and I'm going to add that same pink we used before in the palette. And we're just going to clean up that line. And use a Wild Child. And this is what it looks like. I really like it. It's so pretty and pink. I think like when you take your time, it looks super good. But really quick, love, because this is a Valentine's look. My best friend got me this palette right here, which is the Becca collab with Chloe and Malika. So we're just going to put on a little bit of that highlight right here, which is super pretty and pigmented right here. Maybe add a little bit of pink in there. The blush. The blush also has a very nice sheen to it. Okay, so that's my little intake on Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next one, which I'm hoping will be a full face Valentine's Day like makeover or whatever. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next one.